welcome back to Cooking with Kelly. So there you can see is
sterilized pot.
Sterilized pot in there.
That's all of our utensils. So we'll grab them out, and I like to put them in the lid so I keep them clean.
So you didn't get this in the video, unfortunately, but when you would you like to explain what happens when it's done, how the pressure comes up?
Yep. So you just release the pressure out of the pot, and then what I do is I take this water. You gotta move to the side. So you empty that out, and then I put the pot on a trivet while it's still warm. And what you do is you take your sterilized spoon. You need an active live culture. So this is the Fiage, 2%. It's got to have the active cultures in it. You take 2 tablespoons, put it in the pot. And what you do is you add just a small amount. And I use this brand Fairlife because it's ultra filtered milk, ultra pasteurized. And I just fill the bottom. And what you want to do is take your sterilized whisk and I'll point the pot so you can see. And what you do is you have to blend that all together so it's no longer chunky. It has to stay smooth. So you whisk it. So if you see, you don't have any chunks of yogurt left. And this is the cheater. This is how you make fresh Greek yogurt at home. 2 ingredients. And are you ready? Mm-hmm. That was it. You put the pot back, the liner back into the pot. I can take the pot holders off, pour in the rest of the milk. And all I gotta do is seal it, hit the yogurt button, and in the morning, 8 hours later, we're gonna have yogurt.
That's awesome.
So come here to the front. So you see, you press yogurt, and we'll set it for 8 hours, and that's it. We'll have yogurt in the morning.
Well,
bye.